alone really notice this, But me notice whenever time Alkaline have a show announce, here comes the ticket watcher them viewers.
A few moments later.
If them hear so the show cancel, or the ticket them not sold out.
One eternity later.
Everybody, me realize that everybody come out and everybody I say, oh, Alkaline did nominated for all them something. So me I look on it and I say, oh, them thing are really political because I already made up on a life with my virgin name, Deal Stella, big up yourself Deal. And the bro, I say, oh, it don't make no sense, Alkaline even get nominated for them something because him not go win it. It's all political. Them use Alkaline name to get clicks. They use Alkaline name to get views.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Oh, I go on, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, Yeah, man, when I go on, people, big up on yourself. You don't know mad show weekend. You don't know Miami new rules. You see me Friday. You don't know anything. So you get to know tickets, people. You know anything. You know ships. You see me touch. So look at now, people. We have to big up Oneal boss for that one. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up Oneal boss. You see it. So you don't know. Can go over there for them channel and thing. You see me Oneal boss. Yeah, man. He might do it. He might do it. Forward out with some good suggestion and reasoning. You see, but we must say.
So viewers, I don't know if me alone really notice this, But me notice whenever time Alkaline have a show announce, here comes the ticket watcher them viewers. And me understand viewers say everybody out here are rep for them artists, you understand? And me know say there's a lot of trolling and all that. But viewers, sometimes I just find it weird to me see the man then really go above and beyond.
Remember, you see me? Enough of them. Sometimes I rate the artists, but it's just that them just follow the crowd. You understand? Some of them rate the artists. Cause if you don't rate somebody, you go there. You see me? Every day and I watch everything what them do. You not gonna have time for that. You see me? Because them not do that with them artists. But them up to date with everything with Alkaline do. But when them artists drop a song and do certain things, them not even know. Because them well invested in what Alkaline do. You see me? That's how you think go. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. You don't know Alkaline relevant. Anytime you talk about him, anything you talk, you go viral or people see what I go on. You see me? Yeah, just so you think said. Alkaline just special in a dancehall way. Everybody have to call him name, everybody have to talk about what him do. You see me? Yeah, if them not talk about Alkaline, them just not feel good. It's like them not feel good. You see it? If them not talk about Alkaline, so them have to do it. You see it?
For information, real if you just say an artist feel viewers, for real. You understand? It's like it would be a joy if them here so the show cancel or the ticket them not sold out. Why? Viewers, why would you really out here hope for your artist feel?
Then I say go man, I saw the world in our society, it's like once people can control you, once it's like them not there on you, or you're not trying to be them friend or somebody where they can sit down and chat up with, them just gonna bring you down. It's just a human nature, and sometimes them just follow other people and follow what other people are say. You understand? Because 99% of them Alkaline are wrong. Them just follow what people are saying. And sometimes some of them want to rate the artist, they want to come talk something, but them just can't take the fire. You understand? So them have to say a next thing and just bring down and one bag of thing. But the more them bring down Alkaline, you understand? And the more you see it is like the youth get powerful. Yeah man, the more the youth get powerful. Cause look at my years now, 13 years now, them bring down, them do this, them do that with the youth. And the youth just prosper. See the youth in the arena now, him own a show, brand keep show all over the world right now. Them can't stop the youth. It's just a matter of time, You understand? Everything gonna make sense, so them not see nothing yet. You understand?
For what reason? For you celebrate? What you gain from that? It's like them and them out here hope for Alkaline. Miami show is either it get cancelled or the ticket they not sell off. For them have a laughter. Like for real viewers. May that make sense to me viewers?
You see the thing is that them not care about dancehall. That's the problem. You understand? Them no want nobody else win. Them only want one person win. You see it? So what Alkaline a do and a draw them big crowd, yeah, people who love dancehall or music or who I'm fans. Them no want that. Them say them want the culture get bigger, them want dancehall way. But somebody when we represent on a big scale, them a go bring down that person there. You understand? Them only want dancehall if like explore on a big scale when I only certain artists. But when it comes to Alkaline, no. It not fi happen. No man, that not fi keep, no ticket, not fi sell this, that, show fi cancel, ray. A bag of thing. That's how it go. You understand? And that's why we don't even grow as each other, because them no motivate, them no congratulate. You see me? I just one of them things, they are just humans. But I'm gonna wait it too late.
Like real, where you gain from the artist show cancel. Oh, so if the show get cancelled, you can celebrate and say, see it? You sure you say them can't do it? You understand? See it? You sure you say a size them a try size up with such and such artists and them not in another league there? Like really, come on. When I rep for dancehall, I only just a rep for, you know what I mean? Just for soon an artist win. If you not rep for dancehall, rep for dancehall, man. Come on. Viewers, me kind of understand right now what going in the dancehall space. Dancehall now, it's like it become a sport. Everybody wants their favorite artist to be number one. So viewers, instead of just enjoying music, it's just peer comparison. Streaming numbers, YouTube views, Instagram followers, crowd size, and now ticket sales. The problem is, viewers, ticket sales now become a weapon online. If a show sells quickly, viewers, fans celebrate it like a champion win.
And then that me I try to tell you, it's like, yo, I really thought that, you know. But when it was a dancehall competitive, you understand the competition, the fans them do this, the fans them do that. But you see, if you see an artist I represent for the culture, you have to say, yo, the artist do it. But when you go bring down the show, say, nah, sell. Yo, me never see one artist I keep one show yet. And so much people that say, yo, free ticket. People that say, yo, the promoter waste them money. The amount I bring down with one show, me I tell the people, them no want to see the culture grow. You think them care about dancehall? If they care about dancehall, but them would have say, yo, Alkaline, do it. Represent the dancehall. Them no want that. And that me I tell you. You see me? Them only personal with the artists. Them no care about dancehall and music, bro. You see me? That's why them talk like that. You see it? So at the end of the day, I just one of them things that went forward to Alkaline. Anything with Alkaline in it's gonna be a comparison. Them are gonna compare ticket, them are gonna compare views, them are gonna compare everything, them are gonna compare when it comes to Alkaline. Yeah man. Most criticized artists in the dancehall right now. And if you see a youth where him not run down the media, I'm most quietest dancehall artist in a dancehall. The most quietest dancehall artist. But imagine him get the most attention. You understand? Them talk about him the most. Then say him fall off. A bag of thing. But every day them still up on him name. But the artists them, what them not seen on the media and what you would have called so-called fall off, them not call them the artist the name, you know? Them not call the artist the name. So it's sure you say the artist you have to be relevant for your artist when they say fall off. Have to be something you might do, make them talk about him. I can't know nothing. You understand?
If ticket moves slowly, viewers, then rival immediately start the trolling. I mean, understand, viewers, when it comes to Alkaline, the attention is different. Ever since Alkaline forward on the scene, viewers, people have watched his every move closely. Why? Because despite being one of dancehall's most quiet artists publicly, he still maintains a very powerful fan base. That confuses a lot of people, viewers. Viewers, years ago, you know, we can remember, say, when it come on to stage show, fans normally just judge stage show based on how the stage show go, you understand, based on the performance and all of that. Now, viewers, everything become content before the event even start. Online viewers, nobody not really care about context. People just want ammunition for support, fan war. Every event, viewers, become a battle for bragging rights. Viewers, at the end of the day, every artist are going to have their ups and downs.
That's how you think go. But when it comes to Alkaline, there is a bring down sensation I go on before in show. Everybody pull up him ticket to see how much him a sell, how much ticket I sell. I'm my only dancehall artist. Me see that like every day. Every day. The man them a vlog. Alkaline ticket have to pull up. The man them the man them watch Alkaline every day when it comes to him ticket. Till all them figure about what them artists are do. Them artists have show. The way the man them invested in the Alkaline show. Sometimes I tell them, them are real undercover fans, Yeah man, undercover fans. Because if he's an artist, remember for them artists in the media every day. And them not pay him no mind. See? But Alkaline we not in the media, none at all. Them call for him name every day. Pull up ticket, this and that. Me don't know how them do it. Me don't know how them do it, people. Me I tell you. But you have to rate somebody if you do that. If you not see nobody in the media, none at all. Like if you not see a person in the media, none at all. How that forward to your mind if you start talking about him and you not see him, you not have nothing to say. Like if you see him do something in the media and Ray. Same like how, you see the rope thing and them thing there in the media. I hear people talk about it. Imagine. I tell the people. But it shows say your Alkaline after do great things. For them keep on talk about him. You understand? I just say go, I always say the stone where the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. You understand? So the same youth where them a fight for years and this and all of them little thing they and say him not do this and him not do that. Just look what go happen. Everything will make sense soon. You understand? That's why the youth say pick on the side. That me I tell you now.
You understand? Sometimes you sell out events successfully. Sometimes show get cancelled. Sometimes you find it song. Sometimes nothing just now go on. I just some music go viewers. So I mean I say viewers, nothing wrong for whosoever I rep for them artists and stuff like that. That's okay because everybody have to rep for who them are rep for. But if you just come out and definitely every time just watch people ticket and how it a move and if it a go sell out right now, go sell out and I celebrate for your downfall of a person and all of them something the viewers. You have to wonder if them people are really, you understand what them really I think. Then if it really not going for them favor, how them look? Them just look stupid.
Yeah man, them will come forward from the media and crash out man. I saw them stay. Remember them do that with Barclays Center, And them forward, crash out, them find all sort of thing. But if you realize everything with Alkaline do, them compare him with other artists. I don't know. It's like everything the youth do, them find a little something for try to compare. You understand? That me I try to show you people. Them man, them can't wake up one day and just don't call Alkaline name none at all. You see me? I just saw a thing said. Them can't get up one day and just don't say nothing about the show and the ticket them. Them can't do that. If you come like say them can't go a day without talking about Alkaline. Them have to do it. When them don't do it, them not feel like somebody. You understand? So when them do it, yeah, I just that. But at the end of the day, it still not stop with the greatness of the artist I do. You see me? I just so Badmine stay. Yeah.
You understand? And then move on to something else with you again about. That's like, come on, bro. Yeah, viewers, that's all me really having in this video for today. Me just find it kind of weird how, you understand? The man then just a troll and just a hope for Alkaline show fail or, you know what I mean, get cancelled or the ticket then sell out or, you understand? For them can celebrate and say, Alkaline can size up or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Viewers, me just find it kind of weird. But let me know what y'all think, viewers. You understand? If you don't find this behavior kind of weird to see him, you understand?
And my worst thing, people, imagine Alkaline a do him show. Remember, Alkaline a do shows a long time, And every time Alkaline do a show, them try to compare it with the next artist. You see me? I don't know why, like, when you do something, for sure you say, if you wanna compare Alkaline with an artist who been in the game for years and all of them look at thing, they're not doing thing. See? It shows a brother, the youth great. You see me, can you not compare him with him peers them. You see me? Una really don't on the artist thing for size up with Alkaline. Remember Alkaline does do shows and them look at thing there, brother. Uno have it in our mind, say him in some competition with Uno. You understand? Because what Uno obsessed with him and what him do. So that in our mind. You see it? But I saw it go. Sometimes the competition nice and thing. But no get that in our head and feel like say man made them thing. They are just show them and it's a keep show for him fans. You understand?
And viewers. Also, viewers, do you feel fans are supporting dancehall or they are just supporting fan wars? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Well, you have some fans that support the dance and you have some that support the fan wars, you know. Yeah, some of them bring down every artist in a dance, the fan war thing. Pull up ticket, say this artist a fall off and Ray. And you have the other one where we talk about dancehall. Give them artist credit, all of them little thing there. You see me? Focus on the music. Yeah, I just saw a thing said. You see, but people big up on themselves for one media fax on your page, see me? Yeah man, big up Oneal man. That is it.
To picking Alka to win an award or to have something to show off his dancehall's impact, to show off his dancehall movement, it's always unfair. Now I realize that this thing is all about a political event, or it's all about people just feel too much selfishness. You see, dancehall, bro, dancehall is good enough, but dancehall is more leaning to a side where people have preference, a lot of preference, too much preferences. Alright, when it comes down to being fair, when it comes down to choosing the right way of the person who want it fair and square, it's a little to none choice. It's a little to none choice. You understand? No, when it comes down to Alkaline and the music and you don't know everything like that, it's biased, bro. Really and truly biased. It's so biased that it obviously can know say how people are fighting the DJ wickedly. So what do you, bro? Me come out and me tell everybody say, you know, Alkaline supposed to get nominated for the best male rapper artist in dancehall and make people and go to go vote. We talk about it on YouTube, we talk about it on the platform. Yeah. You understand? TikTok. You see me I say? Alright. So if majority of the people vote because me vote, because I want to vote for my artist. I not go vote for nobody else but my artist. Likewise the other people, I not vote for nobody else but them artists. So if fair and square, if split justice. You see me I say? So everybody, me realize that everybody come out and everybody I say, oh, Alkaline did nominated for all them something. So me I look on it and I say, oh, them thing are really political because I already made up on a life with my virgin name, dancehall, big up yourself deal. And the bro, I say, oh, it don't make no sense, Alkaline even get nominated for them something because him not go win it. It's all political. Them use Alkaline name to get clicks. Them use Alkaline name to get views. Them use Alkaline name to get traction. So them do, them select Alkaline name, put it in the IRAM award. So other people can go there, go select it and realize, oh Ras, Alkaline upon it. Watch you know. You go pick somebody else, so we not make it boy with you know. Watch you know. Even if Alkaline should have won that thing. Alright, and then see Alkaline and lead everybody in a vote. We don't know who is the scoreboarder. We don't know who is the responsible person for, you know, responsible for all them scores there. We don't know who is responsible for the voting box. But it's if Alkaline was to be the one who won that thing, and they realize Alkaline is leading that thing, them are going to choose somebody else. And that thing what them have, what them call the Irama Awards, it is Ronana Joe Bogdanovich and Scatter. Them man they say fucking Gaza. Alkaline is vendetta. I know say almost every mama rasta dancer don't like Alkaline. So even if Alkaline numbers come out in big and new mango showcasing, they would have still choose Vice Cartel. Because based on what I say, bro, Vice Cartel gained 9 awards. So what about the 8 people who are supposed to get the award? Who are those people? Massacre comes second up. When it comes on to the fighting of dancehall, when it comes on to splitting the fairness of dancehall regarding to Alka, it's always a stiff competition. The competition is so stiff, bro. Not even light post turn up out I road out there, bro. Stiff so dog. Me don't know why the people, bro. To me don't feel like people will put Alkaline enough of them award given unto or them something when it comes on to giving Alkaline flowers. Me don't feel like Alkaline for get nominated and none of them thing there. When it comes on to the Grammy, they are going to choose Vice Cartel. When it comes on to the Irama, they are going to choose Vice Cartel, bro. You see, master, because the game, them game they rig. You see if Alkaline to win that like 2 or 3 times over Cartel or Massacre, them now get Alka. They rather figure Cartel because clearly we don't know who literally monitor them thing there. When it comes on to Alka, bro, it is always unfair. Me know say me vote. Me know say a bag of people vote. You see me I say, but Cartel get 9 awards. Yo, congratulations to Cartel win them award. But it's unfair for other artists who get nominated. It don't make no sense nobody choose some artists. for nominate for them thing there, bro. Because clearly them a give Ice Cartel. Anytime I see them something I go on, them a give Ice Cartel. When the artists them a go out themselves a dancer, when the artists a win a dancer, bro, them still give Ice Cartel. But Ice Cartel could have dropped off a farm, broke up and chip up and mash up. And not now go off the cartel. Them a give cartel it. Because I just give me no rig, Alkaline is a pretty big. A top is all me, that's what it is. Bro, me never did know say I said the man really and truly a fight out Alka. Alkaline fight no man, and people say Alkaline not get fight. Massacre, when them say get fight, Massacre not get them fight, and Massacre get the most love in the fucking dancehall. Even though in this back himself from Vice Cartel, bro, him still not get no fucking fight from nobody. The Gaza fans them love him. You know the Gaza fans them hate time criticizing and bashfully reaching to Alka. Friggin' Alka, bro. You see me? Make Alkaline do something good. And then put you up on the media, bro. Everybody and their mama ras I go say flop. But for Massacre, yo, I hit song list. I biggest hit song list. The Alka, I fuck with this. This don't make no sense. Then Jordan garbage bin for over a mile come put here so and say garbage. So that is to show you all say when it comes down to these award shows, bro. To me not feel like Alkaline's team for make Alkaline get no nomination on them award show because him not go win it, bro. It's always an unfair side to Alka, dog. When it comes down to the music, bro, he unfair for Alka. Because me a man a reason. I'm gonna tell me say, yo, Alkaline thing Lily. Alkaline only at when Christmas time or sorrel time. Because Alkaline never. So I say, Badman, what you mean by that? Tell me a show right now because I just said the dog say no. I say tell me a show right now what Massacre full out. I mean me pull up stunt on the dog weekend. I say Badman watch now. Massacre job.
Bossy.
I say to the biggest song Massacre ever job for this year. And boops. Alkaline girl could go run on that like nothing. You know not half he say. He go back he say Alkaline an artist and Alkaline and nobody. And Alkaline figure Alkaline sitting there fi only come up when a Christmas time Alkaline only come like sorry and them thing there. Because that's how they view the DJ. That's just imagine how much people view the DJ like how they bro view the DJ perspective. And then we out as fans. Bro, it's rough for me with 7 in a dog. Bro, me have a family when nobody has 7 nobody like Alka. Before I rate me artists, but apart from that dog, my mother rate me artists, but apart from that dog, me not have much Vendetta friends. Everybody else, man uses Vendetta and switch to. Because they never genuine bad man. Years me say Vendetta in a youth. Years, you know. And if you see the fight with the DJ go through, bro, just by a little small concept there, we be coming to a major issue for Alka, bro. You need to cut out, dog. Me not feel like I cut out now because what's so Alkaline, they on the top floor, where him there? And look up some people down there so one can't reach up Alkaline level. You must be sick. They are going to eat him, bro. Not for them people, not for them selectors, not for them awardee. No one get Alkaline, no flowers, no credit, nothing. But the thing is, bro, when you can't keep on the award, when you can't keep on the gram, when you can't keep all them fucking thing, the dog. Because we the fans are going to support with DJ, dog. Anyway, dog, they, once in there Jamaica, me them not the overseas. But anyway, Alkaline in Jamaica, me drive go there, or if me can't go there, me support the dog thing, same way, react to music them same way. Because that's what we do, bro. We know say Alkaline fight normal, we know say them ever want to try downplay, discredit, disembark Alkaline success from a lot of people. They want to try hide the dog glory. But some people come out and say, what that song the name? And that's a job for years. Because then the people them will come out and bash him on music and share them on music to the people them way. Say, okay, Alkaline now going on. Well, we all know say Alkaline is going on with something in dancer, bro. So when it comes down to the IRAM award, I fuck it. Cartel get 9, you know. Just imagine Cartel get 9 award, bro. We're not a plan for Cartel win, but every year, so dog, nobody else not supposed to stand up and win nothing at all, dog. Nobody's supposed to get no victory at all for themselves. What about the people who put in the work? Alkaline put in all the power in the dancehall. And it's yet to find out of anyone in dancehall right now where a young youth were in the Alkaline's era full out the arena like Bumbo Clark Cartel. Big up Cartel for that too, because Cartel are good. But Cartel are batty boy regardless. Cartel are fucking batty boy. Make a name an artist right now in the comment section where in the Alkaline's era and time of music, a full out arena, the back-to-back arena, differently. Alkaline supposed to go over the Cassia Center the 22nd of this month, the time of this recording. You see me I say, they don't go a Philly next after the next month in June. So now say, my DJ now go and good, then thing you fight out, and then you hold long thing, dog. I've very lies to big up on yourself, I don't know anything, I'm mad. Push move, better way, you know.